Welcome everyone to the webinar on the topic of warpage analysis and visualization techniques. My name is Anand Bora and I'm the Customer Success Manager here at Moldex 3D in North America. Today, we'll be discussing various aspects of warpage, its causes, and how to effectively analyze and visualize warpage in molded parts. So outline agenda for today. We'll be looking at the 6 major causes of warpage: part design, mold design, process, material effect, fiber orientation, residual stress. And then analysis types, FPW versus CTW. We'll be comparing those two approaches. Understand what is ideal cooling versus traditional cooling versus conformal cooling, and which one to use. Then we'll also look at case studies to compare them, and then finally wrap it up with best practices for running warpage in Moldex 3D. So what are the major causes for warpage? There are 6 main factors that contribute to warpage: part design, mold design, processing conditions, polymer PVT. This one will be delving a bit more and looking at how to read this chart from our material files, and then fiber orientation, and finally residual stresses and how it brings the information about post-mold shrinkage. So warpage refers to the distortion of a molded part during or after the injection molding process, resulting in a shape that deviates from the intended design. So this is our original part with shrinkage, and then this is the part with warpage. Part design. In part design, thickness distribution plays a significant role, and we'll be looking at several factors that contribute to warpage under part design, primarily the thickness distribution, wall angles, and also the gate location. So thickness distribution will influence how the part cools, which influences the shrinkage distribution, and which further basically is the variation in shrinkage is nothing but the warpage. So thicker areas cool more slowly, retaining more heat, which can increase this warpage due to differential shrinkage. Now, the warpage management is more upstream when you're designing this in the warpage, and when you're managing or thinking about warpage in the part design phase, which is upstream or more upfront in the product cycle.